Are we rolling right now, dude?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
We're filming.
Because I'm trying to get an intro.
Beautiful.
Did you carve that yourself?
Yep. It's made out of balsa. I went and chopped down a tree in the back there.
A balsa tree.
It's her wife, Amanda, you know. Loved it. She tried painting it, but absolutely just f***ed up, so now I gotta fix it.
Look at this piece of
Tell them, Max, what are they doing?
Oh my god. Should we fist it?
Yes.
She's tight. Today we're gonna try to fix some shit that we should have taken care of when we put the motor in.
Yeah. I've been driving almost a year with it like this.
See, this is the MAF here. This is where it measures all the air that comes in. Then here's a huge hole that's sneaking in. It's ripped halfway through. Air is just like, see ya.
And it's given me all kinds of codes.
And drivability issues.
Yep.
As you would expect. And there's also a big one right there. I don't know if this one's all the way through, if it's just dry rotted, but.
So today we are going to attempt to make a cold air intake out of PVC pipes.
Or something, we don't know yet.
Yeah.
Whatever works.
We're gonna figure it out, I guess. I don't know.
It might end up really shitty, but if it gets you by.
I'm thinking we get those 24-ounce silos, beer cans.
Just chug them.
And we make it out of that, 'cause that'd be cool.
Yeah. Might be a little flimsy. Suck them flat. That'd be tight as. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It might turn out really good. It might turn out really bad.
Well, we are professionals.
If it gets you back and forth to work, does it really matter?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. So everybody else can f*** off.
I'm gonna take this apart and
Map it out, baby.
yeah. And then we're gonna go to Menards and try and find supplies.
Stocked her up.
Hell yeah.
That's good.
Alright, so after doing a little bit of research, turns out there's a universal kit that I didn't know about, so it's 56 bucks.
Spectre, dude.
Let's pick that up. It's 3-inch intake. Got that thing, because hopefully I can point it down in that hole.
Is that what you call high performance?
That thing, yeah, this is instant.
I mean, it's cheaper than trying to build your own material out. Just to buy that shit, honestly.
Yeah.
Which is kind of a joke.
It's not like, look, we know it's not super high quality. You know, we're never claiming it's high quality. But it's going to get the job
I
done.
think it's gonna be great.
It's going to be fantastic.
And then we had an old pod just chilling around, so gonna put that in there for now.
Son of a bitch.
That thing, it's broken. So I'm gonna try and put it together now. This was a little bit long, so I had to cut it down. And then in order to continue using my MAF, we had to cut airbox bracket, whatever you want to call, off of the MAF tube, so that went like that. But now we're good to go, so I think we're going to start putting it together. Hopefully it works.
That right there is how you build a f***ing cold air intake for $60, baby.
In less than an hour.
That's what's up.
Yep.
Premium.
Now we just need to build a box for it.
Start up. Let's get some sucking noises.
Yeah, hold it.
Oh. Let's hear some sucking.
Gotta do any sucking here or what?
Give her some revs.
What?
Give her some revs.
Oh, you guys are looking at me like, is something wrong?
No.
I was waiting for you to